It's your boy Jerry here, and I just want to say how you guys have been. Like this video might be like a little short, but I'm gonna make it as long as you guys want. All right. Anyway, I'm here sitting with my little dog Chase. He's being lazy right now because he is so tired from last night. Anyway, I think I'm waking him up from sleeping. Anyway, I'm sitting here in my bed. I'm sitting here in my bed, just watching Cartoon Network and eating a pack of these awesome Swedish fish. Anyway, yo, if you guys want to win something, well, I don't know if you would, but anyway, these things are awesome, no lie. I got these from Wawa by my house. Well, also with the meatball sub, and these things are just so good. Like, I saw Corey Kitchen make like 3 videos about Swedish fish. So I thought I'd make mine. Anyway, as soon as I got these from, like, as soon as I got the Wawa, I was like, yo, I might turn up on some Swedish fish. And I was just thinking in my head, I'm like, I wish my boy Corey was here, so he'll chow down with me too. But anyway, y'all, if you guys wanna try to earn some Swedish fish, go on Twitter and look up Swedish fish, and their website is right there with like a little fish on the channel. All right. So, like, anyway, yeah. Anyway, subscribe and like, and I hope you guys end up liking Swedish fish as much as Corey Kitchen and I do. Also, subscribe to Cupquake, Red 15, Markiplier, Jacksepticeye, PewDiePie, Quello Cup, Corey Kitchen, Tiny Lizard, Little Kelly, and oh, and don't forget Dashy XP, Dashy XP2, and Dashy Games. I hope you guys out there subscribe to all of their channels, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Also, if you want to see me play some games, just leave in the comments below. And, like, if you want to see me go on some cool adventures or whatever, just write that in the comment section down below. And hit that like button and subscribe. See you guys out there.